Once the update is done, go back to the docs and copy the one-line installer. Paste it in Termux and hit enter. This single command handles everything. It sets up a Python environment, installs the full Hermes bundle with all its dependencies, and puts the Hermes command on your path so you can run it from anywhere. Just wait for it to finish. It'll take some time depending on your device specs and internet speed, so just leave it running. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Hermes AI Agent on your Android phone using Termux. Connect it to a free Ollama cloud model, and set it up on Telegram, so you can chat with your own AI agent right from your phone. Let's get started. Open Termux. First thing, update it. This makes sure your tools and build environment are up to date. Hermes compiles some packages from source, so you need this before anything else. Let it finish. While we're waiting for the installation, let's set up the Ollama model. Open a new session, swipe your screen from left to right, and tap New Session. In this new session, run pkg install Ollama Y. Once that's done, start the server. Ollama serve. Now open another new session and run. Ollama run Gemma 4.3.1b cloud. This will print a URL in the terminal. That's your Ollama authentication link. Copy it, open your browser, and paste it. If you don't have an Ollama account yet, you can create one for free. Once you're on the page, just hit connect and close the browser. Now run the same command again. Ollama run Gemma 4.3.1b cloud. Test it. Send a message and wait for a response. Once it's responding, we're good. That's the model we'll be using for Hermes. Installation is done. We're in the setup wizard. Two options. I'm going with manual. The Nous free plan still requires a payment method, so we're skipping it. Select custom URL for the base URL type. http://localhost:11434/v1. Leave the API key blank. Just hit enter. Type 1. Then Y to confirm the model. Leave context length empty. And for the display name, just type the model name. Now we are finished setting up model for Hermes. Now let's set up the tools. For the terminal, select local. For messaging, we're going with Telegram. Press space to select it, then hit enter. Type 1 for the setup option. For the bot token, open Telegram, search for a botfather, and type /newbot. Give your bot a name, then give it a username. It has to end with bot. Botfather will hand you a token. Copy that and paste it into the Hermes setup. For your user ID, go back to Telegram, search for it user info. Pick the one with the gear icon and green profile. Hit start. Copy the ID it gives you and paste it into Hermes. Type Y to confirm. Telegram setup is done. Next is the tools setup. Some tools are already checked, those are good to go. For anything unchecked, just press space to select it, then hit enter. For the browser, select local, it's free and recommended. Wait for it to install. For image tools, if you don't have an API key, just select skip. For the web crawler, I'm going with DuckDuckGo since it's free. Let's see how it goes. We're all set. Type Hermes to launch it and let's do a quick test. And it's working, Hermes is responding. Now let's test it on Telegram. Hit Ctrl+C to exit, then run. Hermes Gateway. This establishes the Telegram connection. Open Telegram, find your bot, and send a message. Hermes responds directly in Telegram. That's it, fully working on your phone. And that's a wrap. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be posting more. See you in the next one.